G'day again, and welcome back to the shed. Now this time I'm going to show you a little bit, or this is basically the start of me learning how to TIG weld. It was time to build an exhaust for the county because I'm sure the neighbours are really hating it with me starting it up with no exhaust on it, and getting that 6 litre just absolutely barking away. So let's put an exhaust on it. Now, to make things harder, I decided that it has to be made out of stainless steel. So I had to learn how to TIG and weld stainless at the same time. Now this is obviously going to be a steep learning curve, but hey, I've learnt a lot in the short time that I've been doing it, and there's more learning to come. Now here I went and got a drop saw. I would not recommend using a drop saw. It's not ideal. It doesn't cut at an angle that is square. It seems to kind of shy away once it gets to the bottom of the cut. Doesn't matter how fast or slow I go, but I end up having to do a lot of grinding to try and get those edges square, which you can see me doing here, just prepping them up. Now prep is everything. It's I watched a video recently that told me it's like painting a car. Prep is everything, and it's 100% true. How poo does that look? I'm sorry to launch it on you, but that was go number one. Anyway, you can see here, this is my original setup of torch. It's what they come with. It's a really simple torch. It's a lift-off TIG, so you have to touch your tungsten to the piece, and it kind of ramps up from there, and away you go. You're welding. No foot pedal, nothing like that. Now you can see what I was doing was I was touching to the piece too much and getting the tungsten stuck in the weld puddle. You can see just there I upgraded to a larger cup for better gas coverage to shield the weld. But I was doing this a lot, just resharpening my tungstens and getting the contamination off them from me either touching the filler rod to them or touching the tungsten to the workpiece. I could go a lot deeper into it, which I will do, but you're going to have to come back again and watch that. So I'd appreciate it if you did. But the main skill here that I'm trying to teach myself is curl around the tube and keep that tungsten as square and as uniform in distance all the way around. Now this is the second go. It's looking better, and I have gotten better since then, but definitely more to come.